In this WordPress tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find the database name which is associated with your WordPress installation. So first of all, you should be logged into your hosting account or connect via FTP. Then go to the file manager, and then you have to look for the root directory where your WordPress is installed, or a public HTML directory. In here you should see several files and folders like wp-content, wp-admin, and so on. And among this list, you should look for wp-config.php. And once we open it, in the file right at the top, you should look for the following line. Define db_name followed by the comma, and this part is essentially the database name which is associated with WordPress installation. In my case, the database is called wp_test_db. In fact, if we go to the php-myadmin and look about the list of databases, you'll notice the database name is in fact matches what's in this file, wp_test_db. So this is in fact the database which is associated with my WordPress. So I hope that you found this WordPress tutorial useful, and for more tutorials, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.